UNI-PASS is the core infrastructure of Korea's international trade that allows the processing of import and export clearance, cargo management, entry, transit and removal, duty payment, duty collection, investigation, customs audit, regulatory verification, single window, and various other functions. UNI-PASS has been evolving for the past 50 years, along with the development of the Customs Administration by adapting new IT. The core value of UNI-PASS is to improve user satisfaction and reflecting the ever-changing customs policy and regulations into the system. UNI-PASS, a core infrastructure of trade that cannot be interrupted for a minute or even a second. The operation and maintenance services provided by the Korea Customs Service and CUPIA starts by ensuring this value is maintained. The goal of the operation and maintenance is to ensure a strong economy and a safe society by delivering a stable operation of UNI-PASS, the core infrastructure of customs border management, and to contribute in achieving a world's best customs administration that can provide a fast, secure, and convenient service. For this purpose, the Korea Customs Service and CUPIA manages experts to deliver an all-year-round seamless service.
쿠피아는 2007년부터 유니패스 운영 업무를 시작했고 2010년에는 관세청으로부터 관세법에 의한 전담 운영사업자로 지정을 받아 통관, 화물, 징수, 싱글윈도우, 인프라, 보안 등 유니패스 관련 모든 업무에 대해 운영을 전담하고 있습니다. 이를 위해 관세 업무 및 IT 분야의 최고의 전문성을 갖춘 170여 명의 직원들이 24시간 365일 시스템의 완벽한 가동을 목표로 운영 및 유지관리 업무에 최선을 다하고 있습니다.
In Korea, the average annual export amounts to 9 million declarations, equivalent to $604 billion, while imports amount to 21 million declarations, equivalent to $535 billion. In the year 2018, Korea was the 7th largest trading nation in the world. In terms of travelers, Korea has an annual average of 90 million travelers. The rapid increase in trade and travelers means an increase in workload for the Korean Customs Service. Therefore, it is vital to maintain UNI-PASS operational 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, to provide a stable and speedy system operation. To process large amount of work within a short time frame, UNI-PASS was designed in a two-track concept with its foundation in an advanced risk management technique. This concept allows swift clearance to low-risk cargoes, whereas detailed high-tech inspection to be performed on high-risk cargoes. This system has been recognized as the most suitable system for precise duty collection and prevention of smuggling, such as the inflow of unsanitary food and illegal drugs that can be harmful to the general public. CUPIA has a dedicated team of system application experts in areas of clearance, cargo management, duty collection, and audit to maintain the two-track concept intact. Moreover, UNI-PASS is designed to ensure redundancy in the communication, power supply, and various other infrastructure to fundamentally prevent any system failure. The system has an automated failure detection and an automated defense system to prevent hacking and cyber attacks. Infrastructure and security experts from CUPIA monitors the system 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The Korea Customs Service implemented the disaster recovery system in a remote location to react to disasters, wars, and many other unpreventable events. Also, an early warning system was developed to efficiently predict any early signs of system failure. The Korea Customs Service opened a new UNI-PASS operation and security center to monitor the operation and security of the system. CUPIA is responsible for the seamless operation of UNI-PASS 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Apart from the operation team, the Korea Customs Service operates a maintenance team formed by experts in various fields to efficiently reflect the system, any policy changes, and to introduce new technologies. The maintenance team is operated by KCNet, a company affiliated to CUPIA. The analysis and design regarding new changes is handled by CUPIA, while the actual coding is handled by KCNet. The excellent teamwork between CUPIA and KCNet's team enables the smooth operation of this giant system serviced in Korea, world's 7th largest trading economy, to efficiently react to ever-changing technology and international trade environment. The maintenance team provides a 24 hours a day, 365 days a year seamless service to achieve a sleepless trading Korea. The Korea Customs Service acquired the ISO 20000 certification, the first in the world in the field of customs clearance system. CUPIA has acquired the same certification. The system operation team strictly follows the standards that are defined by the ISO. According to the service level agreement between CUPIA and the Korea Customs Service, a quality service is delivered in a stable manner by defining detailed service indicators such as e-document processing time and error handling time. The team is highly evaluated for its efficient methods of system resource management to maintain an optimum system performance. International trade and IT trend is consistently changing even at this moment. The Korea Customs Service and CUPIA constantly monitor and analyze these changes to upgrade UNI-PASS accordingly. Recently, big data, AI, and blockchain technologies are actively applied to the system in efforts to maintain UNI-PASS system a world-class. As a result, the system has been delivered to 9 different countries outside of Korea. 2 of these countries have also received operation and maintenance services. CUPIA and the Korea Customs Service will do its best to upgrade UNI-PASS and maintain the system to its pinnacle.